Ollie, come here. Ollie. Okay. Grant. Here's Ollie, hon. I'm over here, honey. Hi. What you want? Oh, look, Ollie, come here. Sit down, Ollie. Sit. Good boy. Ollie, down. Grant. Grant, over here is Ollie, honey. Oh, boy. Where are you going? What? You gonna say something? Okay. All right, Ollie. Are you hungry? You wanna eat? Are you tired? Okay, okay, say goodbye. I'm ready to eat. Yummy, yummy. Okay. Bye.